and welcome to our pronunciation reference course. You've been working with me, Sophie, who's a qualified TEFL tutor. I've been helping you to learn the 44 English sounds, also the proper pronunciation of certain words and phrases. So we're going to be learning the next sound today, which is the sound P. That sound again? P. It's pronounced as a long purr and can be found in words like pear, poor, or proud. Those words again? Pear, poor, and proud. Lovely. Now your turn. Perfect. So the sound P is a unvoiced and consonant sound. It's also known as a bilabial stop. Can you remember the other sound that had a bilabial stop? No? Don't worry. It was the sound B. That also means that we use the certain part of the mouth to block the sound so that it can't pass through. When we then open that up, the air comes through and that's where the sound is formed. Are we ready? That sound again? P. P. Okay, so really slowly. Keep the mouth nice and loose, the jaw nice and loose, the tongue nice and loose. Keep all of that really relaxed. Put the front lips together. Get ready with that air to build it up, and that when them lips come open, the air will come through, and that's when the sound will be formed. Are we ready? P. 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 And those words again? Poor, proud, and pear. Poor, proud, and pear. Wonderful. Now the words poor, proud, and pear have the sound P at the beginning. Words like important and appear have the sound P in the middle. Words like help and keep have the P sound at the end. Can you think of any more? Brilliant. Keep on trying and don't forget, practice really does make perfect. Keep on using the fantastic Lingwizer app, the chance for you to learn these English sounds and phrases really easy and really quickly. I'll see you next time. Bye.